how this goes. Hopefully something cool drives by while we wait. So I've never taken the exit, turn, whatever it is that I'm about to. If I am correct, then it'll put me on a road that I have been on and I know where I'm at. If I'm wrong, that's unfortunate because I don't have my phone mount with me, so I can't pull up a GPS or anything. There's that C8 again, so it'll just be winging it. This could be fun to like lean into. Oh, of course there's a speed bump in the middle of it. Why wouldn't there be? And another one. I know those aren't actual like speed bumps, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I do in fact know where I'm at, so I'm good there. Now I should be able to have a nice steady flow for the bike to cool back down. I have spoken too soon, yet again. Why do I talk? Space available? Well, I sure hope so. It's never ending. I'm sorry, that was bad. The lady in the back keeps, I don't know why I said in the back, the lady in front of me keeps looking in her rear view and like not exactly making eye contact with me because she can't see my eyes, but like I can tell she's looking at me and it feels a little weird. She keeps doing quick glances. Sometimes she's just staring, but most of them it's just like a quick look in the mirror and then look back down. What is this? I'm gonna get to sit next to him. What's up? Nice Ducati. Oh, I just realized. I forgot to even mention it. So I actually have my merch on right now. So if he happens to read my shirt and look me up, that'd be cool. But I highly doubt he will. I forgot I have that on. I was supposed to bring that up at the start of the video. If you would like some of your own, link is in the description. I have several different designs up. I'm trying to think of more right now, but there's a couple already. All of the Harley guys I've seen today have done the wave back, which is very surprising. Well, they haven't even, it's not they've done it back, they've started it, which is even more surprising. But it's pretty cool to see that. I'm glad they're not the stuck up ones that won't even acknowledge you. I know there's some people that like don't like doing it and think it's dumb and stuff, but if somebody does it to you first and you don't do it back, it's just pretty rude, in my opinion. Remember when I went this way to get away from traffic? I hate this. I could turn around again, but like at this point I should be close enough to the exit where it wouldn't really matter. Like this sucks. Nice Scat Pack. I'm just gonna angle myself. Hopefully I get the green arrow right now, so I can just cut through this thingy instead of going the whole way around it. Please, green arrow. Oh, let's go. Cause that's stupid. I'm not going out and around it to take that super sharp turn to get back in. When I can just do what I did. Nice G-Wagon. I was gonna make a joke and be like, oh, I'll put a little sign out for my YouTube and tell all the kids to check it out, you know, free promotion. But I don't exactly want kids to be my primary audience, especially because I I don't always make the most appropriate stuff. So, don't exactly want to promote to kids. So I'm not going to do that. This is the road I was trying to come this way on earlier in the last video, but apparently 30,000 other people had the same idea. Ah, that makes sense. The people that have all the skeletons and stuff have a big fog machine too. Dude, they went all out. Are they like that for every holiday or just Halloween though? Got my Halloween decorations from Five Below because I am poor. Okay, so the traffic is still bad on this road apparently. It's kind of nice, but also surprising to see all these other bikers out today because like the past couple rides I've seen very little to no other bikers. So today, seeing a bunch of them, it's pretty cool. But I mean, it makes sense since it's 80 degrees. I wonder if anybody is going to read my shirt and like Google it or look me up at all. I highly doubt it. But I mean, that would be cool. I'm going to avoid all of the manhole covers this time. Again. I don't really have anything else to say, and my throat's starting to hurt from talking, to be honest, so I think I'm going to wrap this one up here. I'll keep recording just in case, but in terms of like planned stuff or whatever, I'm just going to wrap it up here. So this is most likely, actually this probably is the last ride of the season on this bike, on the R6, so should just be on the ZX10 from now on. However many videos left I record this year. But I had a lot of fun. A lot happened with this bike too this season, between the chain breaking and the rectifier burning itself, all that stuff. All that fun parts of bike life. But it was overall a good year on this bike. Made a ton of videos on it and stuff, so had fun with it. Still don't plan on getting rid of it yet, so should see a good bit of it next season as well. I think the only reason I would is if I got a newer 600 to replace it, but I financially can't do that. So for right now, this will be sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate you watching. And if you left a like, thank you very much. If you subscribed or you're new here, welcome to the channel. I also appreciate that. Should get to go riding next time I have off work. Hopefully. As long as it doesn't rain. But I will see when the time comes. Until then, hope you have a good one. Later.